buddy.
Hey, don't forget to get yourself a pair of these blenders.
Oh my god, Hocus.
Skeezy on the beat.
Pulling up deep whenever we run.
So, package came in. Why does Amazon always do this? It's like a package in a package. What do we have here? Ooh, fresh little switchy switch. Fresh little switchy switch. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of ready to go ahead and put it on. I'm about to go ahead and put this on. The other part ain't even got here yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this on.
So the switch I got off of Amazon for like $7. As you can see, it's just 2 screws in the back, and I'm probably gonna mount it on this side right here. It already comes split with your hot and your ground wire already. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on right here, and then we're just gonna wait for the other part to come in. So here we go.
Skeezy on the beat.
Now that we got it in place, let's go ahead and put this switch on real quick, man. See the switch on. We can't really wire it up, but we can at least mount it, so let's do that right quick. So like I said before, it just has 2 screws, so it should be easy to put it up there. So let's do that real quick. So it was an easy install. As you can see, just 2 screws. One at the top, one at the, can you focus? One at the bottom. And there you go. They have like a little wire catcher right here already for the engine stop button. So we just went ahead and ran that wire through there. And then we're just gonna wait on the light to come. Anytime now, anytime, Amazon, anytime.
Oh my god, Hocus.
Skeezy on the beat.
Alright, so here is the light, and it comes with these rubber nuts, I would say, to hold it on. So let's see how many's in there. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mounts. And some wires. I'm guessing that's a high beam. So let's get that off and let's put this on.
Oh my god, Hocus.
Skeezy on the beat.
So far what we done is we twisted the hot and then and the ground wire. We already got our switch on coming out right here. We took and we ran our wire inside. I don't know if y'all can see it now, but inside there is a little clip for that all the wires are going through for the wire harness. So we ran it up through. We're gonna probably zip tie to a frame back here, run it up and underneath and out the way around, and there you go. So now we just need to hook up our fuse and hook up the light. All right, so we got the connect done for the battery. We ran a fuse, so I could put a fuse in there, and then we'll just hook up to the battery. Now it's time to work on the lights.
Oh man, this thing looks freaking amazing, man. Like, whoa, man. Like, check it out.
Skeezy on the beat.
Well, that's a wrap. That's a wrap for that one, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I am impressed. I like the light. I'm very curious to see how it's gonna do at nighttime. But other than that, man, I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. I hope it's just super bright enough. I do have the brights on it. So we gonna see though, dog. We gonna see. But I hope this video helped someone out there. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and on to another one. Let's go.
Yeah, buddy. Catch up if can't go, nigga, I'm out. Be stepping too late, but you know we be wildin'. Run the shit up and there's no doubt about it. I got a hustle, this shit in my blood. Feel even better when it's all the mud, yeah. Know you niggas can't compete. Got it out the money, turn it to a beast, yeah. Real ones on the team, show up and show up when we roll deep, yeah. I got real riders on my side. Tell them other niggas take a seat. Yeah, them own stunts, you know how I ride. Catch up, you don't go top speed. I'ma take off like zone. Young niggas stay on the go. Young niggas stay on the move. I make it do what they do. Can't be fucked with.